her voice.
Hailings everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be styling my hair into some boho chic locks type of style. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I just hope it turns out really good. First of all, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy videos like these are the types of videos that I post on my channel, as well as lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in content like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. To everyone that is not joining me for the first time, wagwan, big up yourself. Okay, so let me start by showing you guys the hair that I'm going to be using is in this locks here. This is what it looks like, and that is, I think that is the brand, I'm not sure, but I've used this hair before and it is of good quality, so I decided to use it again. I am actually going to recycle some of the locks that I already have. If you haven't watched this video as yet, as soon as this video is finished, click the link in the description box and watch this video. I'm actually going to be reusing the locks from this video in today's hairstyle. So I bought one pack of hair just in case I needed more locks. I am going to be using the twisted up expression hair to wrap the hair. You'll see what I'm talking about, because this is the crochet method. I'm going to be using this to conceal my hair and to wrap up the hair so that it looks seamless. So without further ado, let's start the video. Alright you guys, so my hair has been freshly washed and conditioned, and I did apply my leave-in conditioner and my oils to my scalp already. So we are going to be starting off this style by parting the hair in the middle in two sections from ear to ear. It is really going to help with control, and it's really going to help, you know, manage time and, you know, ensure that your efforts don't go in vain when you are doing your hair. So I always like to start by parting my hair from ear to ear. I did go ahead and part the front section in two, and then I'm just detangling it, you know, just to get out some of the knots from the puff that I had in, and I twisted it up and then I put it into a knot just to get the hair out of the way. I didn't want to like put any clips or, you know, one of those clips we use for sectioning hair, the sectioners. I didn't want to do that this time around. I just twisted it up and then I put it into a knot. Alright guys, I did go ahead and do the back. I really wanted to get my mojo in when doing the back, but look how good it turned out. This is actually the individual crochet method and I love the way it turned out. Look how the parts are looking good. The layering is looking good. I love the way how the back turned out. It was so good. I was really proud of myself. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how it is that I achieved the individual crochet method on my hair. Now, I'm just making a small-ish section. I wouldn't say that they're small, but I wouldn't say that they're large either. And I am putting some edge control onto the hair just to tame the smaller hairs and to tame the flyaways and just to tame everything. Then I begin to plait the base of the hair, and then after about an inch or two I proceed to twisting the ends going straight down. Alright, so this is where the tricky part is. I take some of that twisted up expression braiding here and I get my crochet hair into my crochet needle and then I begin to loop the length of my hair through the lock, as you can see. Now I wanted to show you that the length of the lock is almost 2 times the length of my hair or less. So this is what I do to shorten it. I hook the ends of my hair into the base of my hair and I pull that through, not all the way through. I actually leave that little loop right there, and I leave the ends of my hair right there, as you can see, and then I lined it up, and then I got that small piece of expression twisted up here, and then I begin the wrapping process. So that is like a little hack or a little trick. If your hair is long and you don't want to spend all that time wrapping, you can definitely do your hair just like this. So I'm wrapping all the way down to where my hair ends, and then I'm going to go back up and wrap the excess hair further up the lock. I hope I'm explaining it properly to you, but you can see based off of what it is that I'm doing. I wrap down and then I wrap up, and then that is the lock. Quick, simple, and easy. Now I'm going to be showing you how I do this again. Like I said, section off your hair and plait the base of your hair. After plaiting the base of your hair, you go ahead and twist down the length of your hair, and that is just so that the takedown process is much easier, because who wants to sit there taking out all these mini plaits? It's just not necessary. Then you loop your hair and the crochet hair through the loop of the crochet hair, and then take the ends and loop that through the base of your hair. Don't bring it all the way through, but just loop the ends so that it can just shorten your hair. That's all. Line it up with the crochet hair and then begin wrapping with the expression braiding hair. Now as you can see, the expression braiding hair is so small. That's because I cut each section maybe in about 3, and then I use each section to wrap down the length of my natural hair only, because the lock already formed. It's not necessary to wrap all the way down, and then just like that you have a lock. It's so easy. Now going back in hindsight though, I braided the base of my hair because I wanted that security when I'm doing the loop, but looking back, that's not necessary either. I could have just twisted my hair and still loop the hair through, because when you are doing the wrapping, that is what is going to secure the lock to your hair. So going back, I do think I'm going to be attempting this style again, but I am just going to be twisting my hair. Also, I feel like it would be easier for you to do this style if you twisted all of your hair at once, so that you don't have to waste any time when you are doing the wrapping. So you can take a day or half a day and twist the hair, and then you go back and then do the locks. Go ahead and wrap the locks. So I really like this style. It was such a good style. The only con to this style is because I plaited the base of my hair, the takedown was kind of long. It wasn't as long as if I was doing all plaits, but when you finish pulling out the twist and then for go try and pull out the braid, that did kind of slow up the process when it comes to taking down the locks. But other than that, I had no problems with it. And just to be working smarter, I would definitely twist all of my hair first and then go back in and do the wrapping. Other than that, the style was great. I love the individual method. I don't like crochet braids that much because I feel like my scalp needs to breathe. I have a very sensitive scalp, so I can't pack that much hair onto my scalp. It will definitely irritate my scalp, and I can't deal with that. I need to be able to feel my scalp breathe. I need to be able to spray, and for me, crochet braids does not do that for me, unfortunately. So I'm just showing you how I do this last row. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this style, and let me know if you would ever try this style. This style took me a while, I'm not even going to lie. It took me a while. The wrapping part was the easy part. It didn't take me as long to wrap as it was to braid my hair and then twist it. So definitely think about doing these hacks when you are trying this style. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have ever tried this style, if you plan on trying this style. Don't be intimidated by this style. It's really quick, it's really easy. Remember, you're not wrapping an entire lock, you're just wrapping your natural hair, especially if you have the length of hair that I have or longer. This hack is for you, trust me. So like I said, these are the final results. I love the way how they turned out. They were really lightweight. They weren't heavy at all. They were very versatile, and you could part your hair because these are not on cane rows. These are individual crochet locks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. If you love videos like these are the types of videos that I do. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.